Fuck, dude. I don't know what that was. That was fucking stupid. Whew. Ugh, scared the shit out of me. What was that? Oh my god. Dude. They fucked this thing up real bad right here. Look at this. Fucking gravel and grease? Who the fuck did this? It's a wonder I didn't go fucking down there. Fucking gravel. That's my foot sliding through it right there. Oh my god. Uneven. Shoddy workmanship is what that is. Focused. I was going well. It's a good thing I didn't grab my fucking handlebars and target fixate and grab my brakes. Damn. Just let the bike reven itself out. Because that's what we wanted to do as soon as I stood it up. Kept it on the road as best I could. Damn. That was way too fucking close, man. Okay, so here's where we're gonna try our first gear. Haha! Had a small bump up. That was pretty good. Haha! Another small one. That was a bunny hop. Okay. Come back around. Woohoo! Yeah! That was the best! That was so fun! I love it! Oh god, I'm so glad I did that. I scared the shit out of me, and I totally fucked it up, but god, it was fun! That is what I want! Oh! Yeah! Oh my god! A fucking Ninja 650. There's like no fucking horsepower and almost no torque. But man, it did a good job. Oh, wow.